With GenX multi-split systems, you can finally get away from using ducted systems, which are a harvest for mold, allergens, dust, and smell. You can breathe freely again. Exactly what you want. GenX, the VRF expert.